Hello kids, welcome back for yet another session of English learning, and today we are going to take up vowel digraph AI. As usual kids, you will be writing date, classwork, sound of digraph, and today we are going to take up AI. The vowel sound digraph AI gives sound A. A. Let's write the first word and understand how it gives the sound in between the words. P A I N. Pain. Pain. The highlighted part of the body are joints, where a man can have pain. The boy is in pain. Second word we have today is G capital A I N. Gain. Gain. In a deal, you can have either loss or gain. The child is shocked to see his weight. He has gained weight. Our next word is starting with M capital A I N. Main. Main. This is the main gate of the house. Next is starting with R capital. Make R like this. A I N. Rain. Rain. In this clip, we can see that water drops are dripping down. It is rain. Rain. Adding T in the first place and R A I N as usual. Train. Train. It is a mode of transport that carries many passengers at a time. Now instead of T, we will be writing G capital and rest of the word will be remaining same. R A I N is grain. Grain. In this picture, we can see many kinds of grains. Next word starting with B capital. Now put R-A-I-N, rain with B, the sound will be brain. Brain. This is the picture of brain. We think and remember things with the help of brain. Next word will start with the digraph, CH, ch sound, A-I-N, chain. Chain. In this picture we can see chain. A woman is wearing a chain in her neck. Starting with P capital A I A N T. Now as in pain we will be adding T-ter and we will get the word paint. Paint. These are painting colors. Paint. Next word starting with F capital A I N T. Now we have changed the first letter paint to faint. The word is faint. Here is a clip of a boy who got faint after getting a shocking news. Last word we have is starting with B capital R A I and ending is with D. It is braid. Braid. Tying hair into a long tail is braid. Now write the second line in the same manner, starting from the center. The word again will be written as P-A-I-N pain. In the same manner, you will be completing the second line. Thank you.